Earthquakes bring us unexpected challenges. The reality is that there are people who draw their last breath due to natural disasters such as earthquakes and torrential rains. Statistics show that rescue within 72 hours greatly affects survival rates. However, it takes time for disaster relief teams to arrive. Searching at night is extremely difficult. Additionally, the number of disaster rescue dogs is limited. It is often a realistic and difficult situation to immediately deploy to the field. In this respect, drones can operate at night. Here's where it comes in. Posh Wellness Laboratory develops the CIMT drone. CIMT drones utilize non-contact sensing technology. It is possible to find those buried alive from the sky above. Multiple drones work together to cover the entire affected area efficiently. Posh Wellness Laboratory's CIMT technology is, by passing a weak electric current through the air and detecting the magnetic field generated from it, it is a revolutionary technology that locates survivors. Here is the actual verification scene. This technology has been highly effective in the field and is expected to be utilized in the field. In this experimental setup, a small coil generates a magnetic field, and a magnetic sensor detects the field induced by the target object. When an aluminum plate is brought close to the coil, the measured waveform on the monitor decreases significantly. Furthermore, non-contact measurements are possible at distances over 1.5 meters between the sensor and the aluminum plate. Even if there is an obstacle, such as concrete, between them, the magnetic field still penetrates the barrier. This suggests that mounting the sensor on a drone for non-destructive inspection of structures could be feasible. CIMT technology has attracted academic attention. It has won paper awards and has been the top download overseas. This innovation has been recognized around the world. Posh Wellness Laboratory aims to save lives through the power of technology.